The entire Rhino hammer body is made of light and rust-resistant aluminium. The ears are made of rubber to visually distinguish them from the hard part and make them a little softer. Some parts of the tool are made of stainless steel, which increases its efficiency and durability. The head is a retractable hammer that can be removed by snapping off the magnet. The size of this hammer is much smaller compared to conventional hammers, which allows it to be used not only for its intended purpose, but also as a style accessory for your office. You can buy it for $54. This device can measure the distance between two objects with high precision. It's equipped with two laser diodes, each capable of measuring up to 130 feet, so the maximum measure distance is 260 feet. The device weighs only 150 grams or 5.3 ounces, and the clear and simple interface with lighting allows you to work even in the dark. The VH80 is powered by two AAA batteries, and thanks to Bluetooth 4.0 technology, a constant connection and synchronization with any smart device is guaranteed. The VH80 cost $119. The screwdriver has its own built-in battery, while similar tools are powered by spare batteries. In addition, for safety reasons, the hammerhead is equipped with a current detector that allows you to identify if the cables are electrified. This screwdriver comes with a 9-screw kit and a charger. The handle is ergonomically placed, and the button to control the rotation of the nozzles is located exactly under the thumb. The cost of this tool is $28. Compact wireless screwdriver with an adjustable tip. It can be rotated in any direction, and if you need to adjust it even more, the handle can also be rotated. The body has two buttons that are used to adjust the rotation angles of the tip or the handle. The set consists of a screwdriver, two lithium-ion batteries, a charger, an LED light accessory, and a carry bag. The device will be available in two colors, black and gunmetal and dark gray and blue. The kit is available to pre-order for $130. These nozzles simplify the process of screwing by allowing you to use only one hand. For its manufacture, magnetic tips were used, which help to keep the screws in place with a force 4 times greater than usual. A standard hex extension cable is also included in the kit. Changing the nozzles is very simple thanks to the Bit Grip magnetic technology. And the tool can be purchased for $18. This wireless screwdriver has a rubber handle which makes it very comfortable to use. The tool is equipped with electronic speed control, and the reversing function helps to remove the jammed screws, which also facilitates the working process. The device can tighten screws from 25 to 55 millimeters in length. and it's suitable for working with materials such as plastic, wood, and metal. The device comes with 2 batteries and a charger, and you can buy it for $179. This is a titanium pocket tool. The main part is made of 2 halves of titanium connected by a magnet. They're easily disconnected to change the blades, but the structure remains monolithic. The tool can be hung on metal surfaces thanks to the magnet that fixes the blade. The kit includes an additional accessory with a fork on one side and a knife to open boxes on the other. In addition, the gadget has a universal key for 15 sizes, a flat screwdriver, a lever, a nozzle holder, a ruler, a scraper, and an opener. The cost of this device is $40. This pocket gadget is a relatively light and compact tool for daily tasks. This product combines up to 17 different functions. This multifunctional tool is made from a single piece of durable wear-resistant polymer that eliminates the possibility of scratches on contact with mobile devices. Functionally, the Talon multi-tool keyring includes a blade, an opening blade, a bottle opener, a metric and inch ruler, and a set of 7 small wrenches. The cost of this instrument is $34. The most useful tool is the one you can carry with you whenever and wherever you want. These are the criteria for this little gadget. It's convenient to be carried and kept in your pocket. It can be used anywhere. This universal device is made of grade 5 titanium. Although making gadgets of this material is quite an expensive process, the manufacturers try to do something exceptional that could last for many years. The cost of this multi-tool for the moment is $65. This tool is a compact and light set of different wrenches. At first glance, it looks like a pencil box. All the details are made exclusively of stainless steel, with a maximum thickness of 2 mm. The total dimensions of the pencil box are 134 mm long and 23 mm wide. The dimensions of the insert tool are 21 mm wide and 34 mm long. The weight of the box is 30 grams or 1 ounce, and the weight of the instrument is only about 7 grams or 0.2 ounces. You can buy this multi-tool for $38. Removed if necessary. German inventor Christian Wagner created the first Cabrio Velo several years ago. In its current design, the Cabrio Velo weighs 100 pounds. The creators plan to produce another version made of carbon fiber, which will be a little lighter. In addition to the hinged roof and sides, the car is equipped with a complete lighting system and a 200-litre rear cargo compartment. If you wish, you can install an additional child seat. An optimal 250-watt motor powered by a lithium battery is located on the front wheel, and the maximum distance you can travel without stopping is 60 miles. It's a kitchen, a bathroom, and everything you need for a comfortable stay. In addition to the interior, its technical equipment is also impressive. The truck has Kevlar-covered tires, unmanned aerial reconnaissance vehicles, and 7 observation platforms. Kiravan is also equipped with an advanced communication system, which functions as a mobile command center, capable of interacting even with aircraft.